can all be creators with AI. What's the future of creativity? This is the first question we asked ourselves when we started AI Create in May 2023. It's our duty as creative professionals, as practitioners, as people in the industry to engage in the conversation.
Incredibly passionate about diversity in tech and a need for a tech workforce which is more representative of our society.
AI doesn't do things. We do things with AI.
Creativity is expression, it is release, it's seeing something on the screen.
It's all about unlocking the potential, unlocking individual superpowers. AI is poised to really transform our lives in the next decade.
To, focus on things like questions and story and how to develop the narrative, because I knew visually what this would look like.
So think about what you need to know to understand your place in this world, which at times can be uncomfortable.
Where do you take it? As creatives, I think we fight against mediocrity, and it's important to keep these conversations going.
At the end of the day, and I'm sure it's not surprising to anyone here, it's not going anywhere. It's here, it's coming, it's this huge wave coming towards us.